Welcome to Prince Shorthand House. Exercise number 57, legal real judgments, 100 words a minute. Ready? Start. The appellants have challenged the judgment and order dated 22nd July 2002 passed by the learned trial judge convicting them of the offences punishable under section 302/307/34 IPC. The appellants have been sentenced to undergo imprisonment for life and to pay a fine in sum of ₹1,000 each for the offence of murder and for the offence punishable under section 307/34 IPC. They have been sentenced to undergo RI for 5 years and to pay a fine in sum of ₹1,000 each. Briefly stated, the case of the prosecution is that at 01 around 5:30 p.m. on 21st August 1998, appellants Surinder and Furqan along with one more associate were travelling on a two-wheeler scooter in a street near house number RZ15, Mahinder Park, Uttam Nagar, and they hit a dog. The dog belonged to Sanjay, who was a resident of RZ15, Mahinder Park, Uttam Nagar. Sanjay questioned the appellants whether they were blind and hence a quarrel ensued. The appellants got enraged and started abusing Sanjay and tried to enter his house. On this, Srimati Bhagwati Devi, the sister of Sanjay, intervened and slapped appellant Surinder twice. Though at that time the appellants went away after about half an hour, they returned with 5 or 6 associates. While some, including appellant Furqan, caught hold of Sanjay in order to prevent him from intervening, appellant Surinder stabbed Bhagwan Devi in her abdomen. When Vinod Kumar, son of Bhagwan Devi, who was also present there, intervened to save his mother, Surinder stabbed Vinod in his chest region. After stabbing Bhagwan Devi and Vinod, while appellant Furqan and their other associates managed to escape, appellant Surinder was chased by the mob present there and was apprehended and beaten at the spot. Bhagwan Devi was immediately taken to DDU hospital where she was declared brought dead. Vinod and appellant Surinder were also taken to the hospital. Process of criminal law was set into motion when at 6:40 p.m. information was received at police post Uttam Nagar that a person had been stabbed with a knife at Jeevan Park, Pankha Road, Shukar Bazar, NDD number 32 was recorded. A copy of said DD was entrusted to SI Jagbir Singh for investigation, who, accompanied by constables Karamveer, Karan Singh, and Kabul Singh, reached at the spot. On learning that the injured had already been removed to DDU hospital, SI Jagbir Singh proceeded to said hospital. He learnt that Srimati Bhagwan Devi had been declared brought dead and he collected the MLC of Bhagwan Devi. He met Sanjay at the hospital and recorded his statement, made an endorsement thereunder, and sent the same for the registration of an FIR. Further investigation was transferred to Inspector Lakhvinder Singh, who had also reached the spot in the meantime. He inspected the site and after carrying out the necessary investigation, proceeded to DDU hospital. At the hospital, both the injured Vinod and appellant Surinder were declared unfit for making a statement. He collected their MLCs. The MLC of Vinod records 4 incised wounds around the chest of Vinod and one wound on his finger. The injuries were opined to be caused by a sharp edge weapon. MLC of Surinder records 8 injuries on the person of the deceased, being 3 bruise injuries on knee, thigh and forearm and 4 abrasion injuries on the thumb, foot, chin and parietal region. Inspector Lakhvinder Singh sent the body of Bhagwan Devi for post-mortem, which was conducted by Dr. L.K. Barua. The injuries were opined to be caused by a sharp-edged weapon, and both the incised wounds were opined to be sufficient to cause death in the ordinary course of nature. Stop.